Hi class, welcome to our engineering class, whereby today we are going to look at basics in engineering drawing. Specifically, we'll look at paper layout, that is setting of our paper, drawing of border lines, and title block. So here I have a T-square. You place your T-square on the table, and then you take your A3 paper, you place it on top of your T-square. So after placing it, you take your masking tape and set it and place it on the vertex of your paper, as I have placed mine. Now we've already set our paper. Now you need two types of pencils. You need 3H pencil for construction lines and HB pencil for outlines or thick lines. Now, as you can see, this is my border lines. These are our border lines. And then down here on the right bottom corner, we have our title block, whereby you can indicate your name, your admission number, class, drawing number, and scale. Now, for us to draw our border lines, as you can see from my drawing, the measurement from the edge of your paper to the vertical line, we have 10 millimeters. So this distance we have here is 10 millimeters. And then also from the edge to the horizontal line, we have another 10 millimeters. So this is another 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. So you can use your T-square to draw the horizontal line, and use your set squares to draw the vertical lines on both sides. Now, in our title block, these measurements, for you to indicate your name, admission number, class, scale, etc., you are going to measure. From my measurements here, we have 40 millimeters from the horizontal line, that is the line of our border line, the lower line. So you have 40 millimeters. So I can indicate here my 40 millimeters. 40 millimeters. Again, from the vertical line now that we have 40 millimeters from the lower horizontal line, and now from my vertical line going towards the left hand side, we have 140 millimeters. So I can show you, this is my 140 millimeters. This is 140 millimeters. This is 140 millimeters. Have 140 millimeters. Also now, from this 140 millimeters by 40 millimeters, this is where now we can draw our title block. This is now the measurements of our title block. And now for us to indicate the name, we are going to partition 10 millimeters. So in each case, as you can see, I have the dark line, this one, the thick line, this one, we are using HB. Now from the distance from this dark line to the other, we have, it is 10 millimeters. Now from your ruler, place here your ruler, then you measure 10 millimeters. So in each case, you measure 10 millimeters. From the vertical line, we divide it into 4 portions. As you can see, the dark lines, this one, this one, this one, this one. So this, we are going to use HP. Now, for us to divide into 4 portions, we are going to say 40 divided by 4, which is 10 millimeters each. So for each portion, we have 10 millimeters. Again, for us to do our printing, we need 6 millimeters line for our printing. So it means from this, the dark line, to this other one. So we are going to measure 2 millimeters from the upper part and 2 millimeters from the lower part for us to remain with these 6 millimeters. This is where we are going to do our printing, and we are going to use 3H to draw these 2 millimeter lines. And our printing, we are going to use HB pencil. Now, again, in this our 140 millimeter line, we are going to separate or to distinguish where we are going to locate. So we have 40 millimeters for you to print your name, admission number, class, and drawing number. So this 40 millimeters is from this 140 millimeters horizontal line. Now, after printing your name within this 6 millimeter line, now this is now where you are going to print your name. For instance, if your technical drawing or your name is drawing, you are going to print your drawing within this 6 millimeter line, assuming your name is drawing. So this is what we have. So that is your printing. Maybe if your admission number, is 1024. This is what you'll have, and so on and so forth. So that is now your printing. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.